let's see what is an e-commerce store before we get started. In this lecture, I'm going to specifically explain you exactly what is e-commerce and how to get started with it. So what is an e-commerce? E-commerce or electronic commerce is a phrase used to define any type of business strategy or transaction. A transaction that involves the transfer of information over the internet. It also includes a wide range of business from consumer-based retail sites to business exchanges through auction that are trading goods and services between business corporations. E-commerce is one of the most valuable features of the internet. Therefore, do not panic or worry. Choosing e-commerce store for online marketing is one of the best way to make money online. So how e-commerce store works and what do they consist of? E-commerce is based on three components basically. The first one is the web server. A web server can manage all online storefront and transaction process. Since it's a process of transaction, the web server will make appropriate link for the customers to pay for your product using credit card or any other payment processes. The next component is the database system. A database system can make a checklist of the items that the store has in stock. Also, it is used for updating the available items constantly as people make orders with suppliers. The last one is the dispatch system. The dispatch system is used to link between a warehouse and the customer where the goods are located and sent to the buyer instantly as quickly as possible. I hope now you have a clear-cut idea of what exactly is an e-commerce store and how it works. Let's move further and learn more about e-commerce with Amazon affiliate marketing strategy.